Hi everyone, welcome back to the KashyapTechITBrothers. So this is the part 4 of the SSRS tutorials. So basically in this we will going to see the requirements for the reporting services. So what software we required for the SSRS to install the on the systems. So let's start. So first of all we require the SQL Server Management Studios, and the second requirement is to install the Visual Studio and then add the reporting service to it. So let's start with the one by one, step by step. We will see how we have to install the SQL Server on a system. So basically download the SQL servers, SQL Server from Microsoft website by you can find the multiple many links and to the download the SSMS from the Microsoft web page. So second step is to once the setup is downloaded, then you can install the uh, file that has been downloaded in your computer. After clicking on the file, the screen appear which is so below. So basically first one is first step. Then second step is to a third step is to install, click on the install, and then click on the uh, install SQL Server Management Studio, or you can click on the new SQL Server standalone installation and add feature to the existing installation. Then after clicking on, click this first option, and that is the new SQL Server standalone installation. Then you will get this page. Then click on the OK. Then click on the product key. If you have a product key, then you can enter the product key, or you can specify addition, which addition you wanted. Then click on the next. Then you have to accept the you have to check the checkbox of the I accept the license terms. Then click on the next. Then you will see setup role SQL Server failure installation or whatever. So click on the next. Then you will see the features and description and prerequisite for the selected features, which features you wanted. Then you have to select the option from here in a feature tab, like SQL Server application you require. Then you can check box this. Then data quality service, if you wanted analysis service. So in our case we require reporting service, then you have to click on this. Then uh, yeah, that's it. Then after clicking on the requirement of the feature, then click on the next. Then you will see instance configuration. Then you have to mm, wi- like specify the name of the instance, like a default instance, or you can give the your one instance name. Then you will see like that. Then click on the next. Then it will check this user summary. After that, click on the next. Then you will see service accounts, whatever SQL Server agent is there. Then it will show services over there in this tab. Then click on the next. Then you will see the page where you have to configure the server configuration, like it's a Windows authentication or a mixed mode. Mixed mode, it means when you click on the mixed mode, it will be asking for the setup, the enter the password and confirm the password. In that case, you will be able to connect the database by using the Windows authentication as well, and by using the a password. Okay, so click on the next. Yep, then error reporting, it will is this the mess page you will get, but don't worry, you can click on the next. Then installation configuration rule, it will check. Then next. Then you will see this page, now it will be the ready to install the SQL Server 2012 or any version, like you have a latest version, or so you have to click on the install. Then your software will get installed successfully on your system. After that, you have to install for the SSRS. You required Visual Studio. In a Visual Studio, you will require the to add the extension of SSRS. So first of all, you have to open the Visual Studio, then go to the tools, then click on the extension and updates. When you click on the extension update, you will get this page. Then you can search here. Microsoft Reporting Service project, then you will get this page. Then you have to click on the download or option is there. So you have to download the Microsoft Reporting Service and install it on your local machine. Like I can show you like how it's look like you can go to the extension, manage extension, and search the reporting service. Yeah, you can see in my local system it's already installed. That's why it's showing a blue tick, sorry, green tick here. So it means the Microsoft Reporting Service projects 2022, it's already installed on my system. So it's easy, but you required SQL Server management, SQL Server, whatever version you have, and then you require the Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, it's mandatory to uh, plug in that extension, that is Microsoft Reporting Service Project 2022 from the extension. So after that, if you have this all the thing, then you can able to create the or create the and configure the projects on your system. Yep, that's it about the. Thank you so much.